Hello friend, in this video we are going to learn the finding the shape and size of the array. To get the shape and size of the array, the shape and size function associated with NumPy array is used. So consider the example. So here I am going to write import a NumPy as np, and here I write a equal to np dot array, and here I'm going to pass one dimensional array element. So I'm going to pass a simple list here. Then here I write print shape of array is, here I say a dot shape, and then I'm going to write print array size is. So I write here a dot size. Try to run it. Let's check what will be the output. So it's perfect. The shape of array is 7, and here empty means it's a one dimensional array, and array size is 7. So total number of elements are present in that array is 7. Now I'm going to define another array. So I write np dot array, and here I'm going to pass list top list. So I write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and I'm going to create another list 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, and copy this statement. So instead of a, I'm going to write here b. So find out the shape and size of array b and try to run it. Now here shape of an array is 2 comma 4, while 2 represent the number of row, while 4 represent the number of column. Array size is 8. So in this way we are going to learn finding the shape and size of the array.